Hello there. I'm sure many holiday makers are loving this fine summer weather, but it has been very dry in many places, particularly across parts of southern England. Hosepipe ban in a few places. Now, just down the road from Basingstoke at Odium, there's been no rain since the start of July. And in the centre of London, we've had 0.4 millimetres. Where's the rain been falling? It's been falling in the northwest of Scotland. It's actually been very wet in the Highlands. We've had as much as 10 inches of rain falling since the start of July, twice what we'd expect really at this time of the year. And if we could look at the next 5 days, it continues to be the northwest of Scotland that sees any appreciable rain. Otherwise, it is staying dry. And the heat will continue to build over the week ahead. We're likely to find heatwave conditions developing across many parts of England and Wales. Let me show you the coming few days, Tuesday into Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. The heat continuing to build, temperatures rising, reaching 36 degrees in southern England by Friday. And that heat is again building up underneath another large area of high pressure, and that is keeping it dry again. We've occasionally got these weak weather fronts brushing the far northwest of Scotland, but even those will get pushed away, I think, on Tuesday. Sunshine, dry weather for much of Scotland, sunny skies on Tuesday for Northern Ireland and across England and Wales, and it's continuing to heat up during Tuesday. We're approaching 30 degrees by this stage in Birmingham and Cardiff, and temperatures will continue to rise through the rest of the week. It's going to warm up in Scotland and Northern Ireland, temperatures at least getting into the mid-20s here, but the highest temperatures are always likely to be across England and Wales. This is where we've got the strong sunshine, light winds, and those temperatures getting up to the low 30s by the time we get to Thursday. By the time we're into the end of the week, Friday, we've still got high pressure sitting over the UK. One change perhaps, we've got a few more isobars across southern areas, so there'll be more of a breeze. It's an easterly breeze or a southeasterly breeze, and it's still bringing in the heat from off the continent. It looks like Friday again is going to be dry. There'll be lots of strong, hot sunshine. Those temperatures continuing to climb, 26 degrees in Glasgow, and probably making those mid-20s, mid-30s, actually across southern parts of England. So it's a familiar story, really. The summer weather continues, temperatures rising, heat wave conditions developing, and once again, there's no sign of any rain for much of the country.
Hello, good evening. Well, our long dry spell is just set to continue across the capital as we head through the next week or so. There's absolutely no rainfall in the forecast at all. Temperatures will be rising day on day, plenty of sunshine around. We could be up as high as the low to the mid-30s by the time we get into next weekend.
Hello there. Away from the northwest of Scotland, it's been a fine, dry, sunny, very warm weekend across the board. And that's just a taster of things to come, because the week ahead, all areas will be turning hotter, particularly for England and Wales, where we're looking at heatwave conditions developing from around midweek. Now, if it's rainfall you want, certainly for England and Wales, there isn't going to be any for this upcoming week. Most of it will be across Scotland, and in particular across the west of Scotland in towards the Western Isles.
A very good evening to you. Signs of things hotting up into a new week. Temperatures set to soar, lots of strong sunshine and the return of warm, muggy nights as the week wears on.
Hello again. Hope you've all had a lovely Sunday so far. Well, once again, we're talking about heat wave conditions as we go through the next few days. Low still, no rainfall in the forecast. It is staying dry and settled across the capital with plenty more sunshine to come. Well, if you are a hay fever sufferer and sensitive to weed pollen, at times as we go through the next few days, there will be moderate traces of it. Do take care. Bye-bye.